Hey gang! I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. The roadmap to financial freedom doesn't start with money, it starts with mindset. That's the part most people skip. They chase money but never upgrade the internal system that handles it. So, if you want to get financially free as quickly as humanly possible, you have to first become the kind of person who can handle freedom. Otherwise, money will show up and walk right out the back door. So, the first step on this roadmap is awareness. Get brutally honest about where you're at financially. Most people live in delusion. They don't track their income, they don't know their expenses, and they definitely don't know what financial freedom means for them. Awareness is painful but necessary. You can't build a future on lies. You have to audit your life like your survival depends on it, because it does. Now that we're aware of where we stand, it's time to reverse engineer the life you want. Financial freedom is not just about making more money. It's about knowing how much is enough for your dream lifestyle. For some, it's $3,000 a month working remotely from Bali. For others, it's $30,000 a month with investments, real estate, and a private chef. Define your freedom number. When you know your target, you can build your path to it. Now comes the action plan. The fastest way to financial freedom isn't slaving away for 40 years, it's acquiring a high-income skill. I'm talking sales, media buying, copywriting, appointment setting, funnel building. These are weapons. These aren't just jobs. These are tools that print money on command. You master just one, and your income ceiling disappears. For me, marketing and media buying was the game changer. It's like unlocking a cheat code to the economy. You learn how to control traffic, scale offers, and move products. Suddenly, you're not chasing money, money chases you. But earning more isn't enough. If your money management is trash, more money just means more problems. So now let's talk smart life hacks to accelerate your journey. First hack, automate your savings. The moment money lands in your account, a percentage should move to savings and investments before you even see it. Out of sight, out of temptation. Second hack, kill lifestyle creep. Don't upgrade your life every time your income increases. Keep living like a hustler while stacking like a king. Third hack, monetize everything you're good at. Got a skill? Sell it. Got knowledge? Teach it. Got experience? Package it. In this digital age, you don't need a storefront. You need Wi-Fi and courage. Fourth hack, learn how to say no. Every yes to random spending is a no to your dream life. Discipline is your freedom drug. Take the right dose daily. Now let's get into how to manage the money you make. Most people spend emotionally. You've got to flip the script. Use systems, not feelings. A simple system I love is the 50-30-20 rule, but with a twist. 50% for needs, 20% for wants, 20% for investing, and 10% for personal growth. That's right, I said personal growth. Because investing in your brain is the highest ROI on earth. You get smarter, faster, and richer by learning what others are too lazy to. And if you're just starting out, maybe your split isn't perfect, but aim for progress, not perfection. The real point is to give your money a job. Every dollar should either be working or in training. No lazy money allowed. As you grow your income, stack your savings, and build your habits, you'll start building momentum. That's where most people mess up. They think the goal is to get rich. The real goal is to buy freedom. So your money needs to start working for you. That means investments. Don't get overwhelmed by Wall Street noise, start simple. Index funds, real estate, small business equity, dividend stocks. Keep it boring, and keep it automatic. The goal is to build a machine that prints money while you sleep. That's how freedom is built. Slowly, then suddenly. You wake up one day and realize, work is now a choice, not a requirement. That's real wealth. Not the Lambo. Not the yacht. The power to choose what your Monday looks like. Here's one final secret most people ignore: your environment is your cheat code. Surround yourself with winners. Join mastermind groups. Follow creators who talk money with purpose, not flex. Read books that stretch your brain. Cut off toxic people who drain your ambition. Your network is your net worth, because mindset is contagious. If everyone around you is stuck, you will be too. But if everyone around you is scaling, you'll rise without even realizing it. And let me say this straight, financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about time. It's about energy. It's about alignment. It's the freedom to do what you want, when you want, with who you want. And the shortcut to that life: ruthless focus. You pick your high-income skill, you double down, you reinvest, and you never stop learning. You stay broke in mindset, even as your bank account explodes. You live like a student, hustle like a lion, and spend like a monk. Because the real flex is control. Not spending. Not showing off. Control of your time, your emotions, and your destiny. Here's a bonus truth they won't tell you in school or on social media: boredom is a superpower. We live in a dopamine-saturated world where everyone's chasing the next hit: TikTok scrolls, IG reels, mindless entertainment. But the people who get financially free learn how to sit with boredom and do the boring work. Repetition. Discipline. Routine. That's what prints money. Success isn't sexy, it's silent. It's waking up and doing the same few things over and over without applause, until one day everyone asks, "How did you get so lucky?" And while we're being real, stop waiting for the perfect time. There's no perfect time to start your business, learn a skill, or fix your finances. The perfect time is a lie invented by procrastination. You don't need permission. You don't need all the answers. You need motion. Clarity comes through action, not thinking. Make mistakes. Mess up. Learn. Improve. Repeat. That's the rhythm of freedom. Don't envy the person 10 steps ahead of you. Chase them. Use them as proof that it's possible. Also, don't be afraid to pivot. Your first business idea might suck. Your first investment might flop. Your first client might ghost you. That's okay. Winners aren't the people who avoid failure, they're the ones who eat it for breakfast and keep swinging. Adaptability is your financial armor. You're not building a straight line, you're building a maze with a million exits. You'll hit walls, but if you keep moving, you'll break through. Let's talk patience. We live in an Amazon Prime world, but wealth doesn't ship in 2 days. Compounding takes time. Whether it's money, skills, habits, or mindset, it stacks slowly, then explosively. Your job is to keep planting seeds even when you see no fruit. Keep showing up. Keep grinding. Keep believing. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is filled with invisible progress. And one day, boom, it all clicks. Now here's your next move. Grab a journal. Write down your income. Your expenses. Your freedom number. Your skill stack. Your goals. Your 5-year vision. Your dream day. Write it all out like your future self is reading it. That's how you start programming your brain. You shift from, "I hope," to, "I'm building." The more vivid your vision, the harder it is to quit. Every time you read it, your brain starts rewiring to make it real. And lastly, let me remind you of something crucial. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not too behind. This is your starting line. Today. Right now. And I'm not just talking to the hustlers in their 20s. I'm talking to the 40-year-old single dad, the 50-year-old teacher, the 60-year-old grandma. Freedom doesn't care about age. It cares about effort. It's never too late to start writing your success story. Don't let this be another video you watched and forgot. Let this be the one that flipped the switch. The one that made you take action. The one that whispered, "It's your time." Because it is. And I'm right here with you, every step of the way.